8 of best juices that'll help you burn fat. Juice is probably one of the most enjoyable ways to lose weight. They taste great, are easy to make or buy, and are fun to share with friends. And if you're looking for an easy way to burn fat, then definitely check these ones out. 1. Carrot juice. Due to its fiber content and low calories, carrot juice is perfect for keeping you full while also burning fat. You can also add fruit to it so you can improve the taste further. So why not try a carrot juice at lunchtime, perfect for the busy individual. 2. Pineapple juice. Ah, so yummy. Pineapple juice isn't just delicious, it's also great losing weight. Due to the makeup of the pineapple, this juice will help you both burn fat simply by drinking it. The natural sugars of this fruit will also help keep any sweet cravings at bay. 3. Tomato juice. In a study in the journal Nutrition, it was found that those who drink tomato juice daily will lose, on average, 50% more belly fat than their non-drinking counterparts. 4. Cucumber juice. Cucumbers have many benefits. Cucumber juice can make you feel fuller due to the low calories but high water content. They are also refreshing, which is particularly great for a summer's day. Imagine having a drink of this while using leftover slices to make your eyes feel better. We think it's a wonderful combination. 5. Orange juice. Being a staple of many breakfast drinks, orange juice is not only commonplace and relatively inexpensive, but it's also good for your body. Burning fat is easier when you have more vitamin C. 6. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice contains antioxidants and nutrients that can help your heart and body, plus aid in suppressing your appetite. Also, studies done at Queen Margaret University in Edinburgh, Scotland, have found that some people find their smaller meals more enjoyable after a glass of this juice. 7. Cranberry juice. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants galore. Cranberry juice is the one to go for if you want extra benefits with your weight loss. Not only that, but this juice is also fantastic for preventing and overcoming urinary tract infections. We love the idea that we can lose excess fat while keeping our organs healthy too. 8. Mango juice. For an exotic take on juices, why not try mango juice? Packed with vitamins A, B6, and C, mangoes are the way forward if you want something a bit different to vary up what may have initially been a bland and boring diet. Pick your favorite, or consider using some or all of them, to help you on your weight loss journey. If you like our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By clicking subscribe button then tapping the bell icon. So you will be the first to know when we post the new videos. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then please like this page for more interesting and related videos. Thanks for watching.